Pocket Technology started back in 1997. We pride ourselves in providing high-quality product, innovative solution to our customers with fast turnaround time at highly competitive price. I am Jeffrey Ong, Director of Pocket Technology Private Limited. Pocket Technology is a one-stop packaging solution provider for the electronic industry. We supply tape and reel, tray, and tube packaging to a diverse portfolio of companies, both locally and abroad. We have a team of long-serving staff, and we are constantly seeking solutions to be more productive and efficient. That's how we started looking at robotic and automation. Initially, I thought automation would require heavy investment. It was actually quite affordable, incorporating the robots to production line without major changes. We went with Epson Robots mainly due to application we could implement in our business. Its small footprint was ideal, and we could easily bring the robots in without much changes in the configuration of our industrial space. After sales, technical support is always on hand, and that's important for me. We have integrated Epson LS3 and G-Series SCARA robots into part of our assembly line. With just 2 series of robots alone, we can perform complex, high-precision assembly tasks in extremely limited space, allowing other applications that demand high space efficiency possible. By making the robots user-friendly and easy to program, Epson make it much simpler and much cheaper for SMEs to deploy them. What surprised me was the expansion of business opportunity. The adoption of Epson Robots has opened up for us. We have become an official Epson system integrator, providing automation consultancy solutions to customers from various industries. I often share my automation process model with my customers, as I believe I can help them stay competitive through automations and increase their production capability. Their growth in business will eventually help my business as well. The future for Pocket Technology is definitely automation. We are looking to invest in more Epson robots, and we are excited about the various possibilities to achieve greater productivity.